recording my random 4 a.m. thoughts because guess what? I am going to forget this tomorrow. But as I'm overthinking now, I thought of recording this because that will be a witness. Let's talk about something which is going on in my mind, and I want to share it with you all, guys, and want to check whether you agree with me or not. Because honestly, I don't care who agrees or not, but I just want to talk about it. Okay, I'm going to keep it a little low because everyone is asleep and I don't want to wake anyone right now and see that I am talking to myself like a ghost. But, anyways, my first thought is that I am Batamiz, okay, and I'm proud to be it. Why? Because right now in this generation, Batamiz meaning has been changed. Because if you are straightforward, if you take your own stand, if you don't tolerate anyone lying, that means you are Batamiz, okay? But if you are Sanskari, which means you are killing your own self, you are just doing everything what people are expecting you to be, you are doing everything just to please people, which means you are sanskari. And if that means sanskari, then I don't want to be a sanskari. I am good being a batamiz, okay? Because I feel that if you can't even satisfy yourself with your work, if you're doing something and if you are not doing something which you like and doing it just to please people, then what's the point of living, bro? Okay, I feel like a ghost right now, but it's okay. Anyways, recently I have distanced myself a lot from my close friends, okay? Whoever I used to call close friends, I don't know whether they are still my close friends or not. But in our generation, every single person is busy somehow. Like, even if they're doing nothing, they are just busy. Like, my friends would come to me when they need me, and whenever I need them, whenever I want to share something, they are just busy. They will tell me that they were doing that, this, blah, blah, blah. They will give me excuses, and somehow I get convinced. Somehow I believe that yes, they were busy. I feel that I am the one who is just overthinking. I feel that I am wrong. Maybe I am just questioning them. That's it. And somehow by the end I am just blamed, and I don't know why. Is it just me who is feeling that, or it is happening with every single person right now? Because somehow by the end it's just me who is left alone with my own thoughts and doing this random 3 a.m. shits. Once upon a time when people used to call me good girl, I used to be the happiest. During school days when teachers used to call me good girl, I was like, oh my god, that's the best compliment. But then slowly I realized that being good girl is something which is actually slavery. Like, the definition of good girl is that a girl who listens to people, who stays silent, who doesn't question back, who does everything what people wants you to do. Like, when teachers used to tell me to do something, I would be the first one to run and do it, and that was the definition of good girl. And now I realize that I was just a slave, and I used to feel that good girl is a compliment, but no. Now, when I am a strong girl, a girl who is straightforward, who doesn't bear anyone questioning her, who doesn't bear, like, I won't tolerate someone questioning my character or anything which is wrong. And now I feel that being strong girl is the best thing one can do. Like, that is something which don't even requires compliment. Nobody needs to give me a compliment that you are a strong girl, because I know how strong I am. I don't want anyone to measure how strong I am or how good I am. Nobody can do that. Nobody have the rights to do that, that how good I am or how bad I am or how strong I am. Nobody can measure that. It is in my hand. I know how strong I am. I know how can I tolerate, right? Okay, so once in my life, I went through a very, very depressing phase. Okay, like, my school life is the traumatic thing, and that time it started, and my friends left me. I was all left alone, and I was so depressed at that time. Okay, but see, I'm a kind of person who is an extrovert, extreme extrovert. Okay, I love talking, I love being around people. I hate being alone, I hate silence. But during that time, I just wanted to be alone. I never wanted to talk to people. I just wanted to be with myself. It was so bad. But then now I slowly realize that every single person must go through that phase in their life, because after that I became the strongest version of myself. Like, I admire myself so much. I love myself so much for being this version of myself, so strong, so straightforward, that I don't even care now that what people say, what people are talking about. I don't care what they are doing, what they think about me, because all I care is how I am, what I am doing. And I truly believe that once if you go through that phase, then you are going to live the best version of yourself. Okay, so girls of my age are in their relationship era, happily with their man, going to dates, blah blah blah. But here I am doing 3 a.m., 4 a.m. videos, sharing my thoughts, working on myself. Overall, I'm happy. Happy doing what I like. And I'm happy for them too, because they are doing what they like. But then those girls question that you don't have a man, you are single. But see, getting a man is the easiest thing I can do, okay? I can easily get a man. But finding the right man in this messed up generation is the hardest thing. And they feel that I read books, so I have so much attitude, so much high standards, that I will never get a good man. But see, I am not a fool. I know the difference between fictional and reality. I know that. But that doesn't mean that I will fall for bare minimum. I am myself giving I am giving myself the princess treatment, then why will I fall for someone who will just give me bare minimum, bro? I can get a man, I know that. But I am single by my choice, and as I respect your choice, you should respect mine too. That's it. Okay, so it is almost 4:30 right now, and I don't know when I'm going to sleep. Oh shit. Okay, so my mom got up, and right now I'm going to sign off. I'll be back with more thoughts and more opinions in more videos, क्योंकि picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.